All right, guys, we're doing the 28th hard request today. It's John Mayer, In Your Atmosphere. Yes, we are playing it on piano. Let's have a listen. I don't think I want to go to LA anymore, and so forth. Hello everyone, I'm Shawn and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here. I'll show you how to play guitar on the keyboard, but all of the lessons for the whole song, this live version, you can look it up on YouTube, In Your Atmosphere, John Mayer on YouTube, are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Works on your phones, your tablets, your laptops, desktop computers, fast streaming for everyone, along with thousands and thousands of other lessons I've made over the past 12 years. On there. But let's get started with this part 1. And it is possible to play guitar things on the piano. You just have to do it in the right way. Now I'll play a little guitar, so that kind of helps me to do that. But let's take a look at what we're doing. I have just a Casio keyboard here. I have layered a grand piano sound with an electric piano sound. So, and reverb and chorus, and then it gives me kind of the sound, a little bit of an electric acoustic guitar. So, but it'll work fine on just piano. All right. So what we do at the beginning, we're going to start on the E on the left hand. Here's middle C, so I'm all the way down here, and then an E on the left hand again. Ba ba ba. Now he does a harmonic on the guitar, which means you just lightly touch a string and just in the right place, and you pick it, and then it'll make a harmonic on there, a higher pitched tone, and that's what he does there. So we're gonna go up here and play a B and an E up high. So ba ba ba, and that's the rhythm. Bum ba bum bum bum. And I'm gonna play the same E on the left hand, and then go down to A ba ba. When I do that, I'm gonna play B and E on the right hand. So da 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 da, bum bum, then da 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 da. So F sharp, E. I'm going to play the E in my left hand still. F sharp, E, E, then F sharp and D sharp. I added that F sharp right there to help the piano part out a little bit, because he does a wow, he does a shake on that note and makes it, the vibrato. Wow. We can't do that on piano. So to make it a little thicker, I put an F sharp with it, and then a C sharp after that. So ba 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 ba. Again. I'm playing the E on the left hand a little more than I have written up there. You can do that as well. This is just kind of a basic outline for you. These two measures will take you very far in the song, especially the whole intro. The next measure, a little bit different. So we have E, B, E on the left, 5, 2, 1. And I'll do my harmonic again, up high, B, E, ba, ba, ba. And then when I go E, A on the left hand, I'm going to go B, E right here again. Now this is the part that's different. B, E, E. Then I'll do B and G sharp. He does a shake on that G sharp again. We're just going to hit a B with it. Then left hand E again. Then an F sharp. So the rhythm on that measure is da 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 ba 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 ba. Again, ba 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 da da da. Now, if you find yourself getting frustrated on this, trying to keep up with me, this may be too difficult a lesson for you. Maybe you just need some more time on it, or maybe you need some beginner lessons. The beginner lessons on my website are found by clicking Browse Lessons and scrolling down alphabetically to the letter L for lesson. You'll find 50 lessons there. Start from the very beginning, teach you everything you need to know to get going. Chords, how to get your hands playing together, rhythms, scales, chords a little bit, and then you can work up to playing stuff like this easily. All right, so those are the first two measures. Let's play it together. And go. Just played it a couple of times there. He has a certain order that he plays it in. And I have a 1 with a circle and a 2 with a circle there. And what happens there is, there's two measures. You're going to play 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, and then you're going to play D sharp E. So that's the order. That's how he does it. There's no rhyme or reason what order he does it. but 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. So you play measure 1, measure 2, measure 1, measure 1, measure 1 again, measure 2, measure 1. And when you do that last measure 1, you're going to do D sharp E. So D sharp E instead of D sharp C sharp. See? So, and he started singing, I don't want to go to LA anymore. All right, so that'll get you started there, and I'll help you with the rhythms and all this on the website, webpianoteacher.com, and we'll get this together and make it sound like a really cool piano song. Even though it's a guitar song, I love especially doing that. A lot of my followers know that about me. I love taking something that's guitar that people think that won't work on the piano at all and making it work. The piano is one of those instruments. We can copy a lot of instruments. We can copy a lot of things. Not everything, but most anything we can give it a good try trying to copy, especially if we have a keyboard that has different sounds on it. Hope you guys enjoyed that part 1. See you on webpianoteacher.com. Talk to you later.